Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you have completed your homework and your classwork also. Yes or no? Yes, okay. Now, in the previous class, we learned about odd numbers and even numbers. Yes or no? Yeah. Even numbers means even numbers end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and odd numbers end with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is there no? Yes. This is already yesterday you learned. Today we are going to learn about Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. Okay. Today we are going to learn about Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. In number system is divided into two types. First one is Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. And second one is International system of numeration. Okay, two types of that. These two types you learned in the previous classes. Yes? Are you know? Yeah. Then you know. This Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, the another name is Indian system of numeration. Okay. So Indian place value chart. Already you know. You know? Yes? Yeah. You know about the Indian place value chart from the first standard onwards. Indian place value chart always start with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is the Indian, that is the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. The another name is Indian system of numeration. Okay, sorry, Indian system of numeration. So this is the Indian place value chart. Always start with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So this is the Indian place value chart. Here ones, tens and hundreds. Here ones, tens, hundreds together are called ones period. Ones, tens, 100 together are called ones period. Okay, ones period. Now 1000, 10,000 are together are called thousands period. And lakh and 10 lakh are together called lakh period. And here crore, 10 crore will come. So that's why these periods are crores period. So first periods are ones period, second one is thousands, and third one is lakh, next crore. Okay. So now, for example, consider one number. For example, consider one number. Okay. This number. So how do you read this? Say, how do you read this? First you mark the periods. Your Indian place value chart start with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So first periods are ones period. Ones periods are ones, tens, 100. So first you mark the period ones, tens, 100. This is one period. Okay. Then second is 1000, 10,000. This is one period. So first you mark the period, then after you read. Okay. Now you read it. First you start the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So now read this. How do you read? This is 1000 periods. So 63,249. 63,249. உனக்கு தெரியல அப்படின்னா நீ மேலே உன்னோட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவை எழுதிக்கோ. ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், 100, this is 1000, now 10,000. So இப்போ read பண்ணும்போது ஈஸியா இருக்கும். This is 1000 period. So read பண்ணும்போது சேர்த்து read பண்ணணும். Okay? So now 63,249. Okay? Okay children? Yes. Then another one example, same. Consider one number. Okay? Now, how do you read? How do you read? First you mark the period, okay? The first step is mark the period. So period, first period is ones period, second is thousands, third one is lakh, okay? So ones, tens, 100. Put one comma, and 1000, 10,000. Put another one comma, okay? Now that is easily you read. If you don't know means, you ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Now you read 7 lakh. 7 lakh. This is 1000 periods. So you read together. Okay. 7 lakh, 25,000s, 200s, 200s. Okay. So 49. So 7 lakh, 25,249. Okay children? Okay. Next, this is clear? So place value is clear? Yeah. Now you go to, we are learn about face value. We are learn about face value. What is the meaning of face value? The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Face value. Already you have learned. So that also you know. So face value means the face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Okay. So for example, consider one number 72,504. What is the face value of 5? What is the face value of 5? Face value means the face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Okay. உன்னோட face value na அதே number தான். Face எப்போவுமே நம்மளுக்கு சேஞ்சே ஆகாது. Face அதே face தான் இருக்கும். சரியா? So நம்ம face value ன்னு கேட்டோம்னா இப்போ 5 ஓட face value என்ன அப்படின்னா அதே number தான். இப்போ கேக்குறாங்க what is the face value of 5? So what is the answer? 5 only. So face value is 5. Okay. But place value of 5? What is the value of place value of 5? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 5 hundreds. Okay. So this is the difference between face value and place value. Face value change ஆகவே செய்யாது. அதே நம்பர் தான் வரும். Okay. So நம்ம எந்த நம்பர் கேட்டாலும் இப்போ what is the face value of 2 அப்படின்னா 2 தான் உன்னோட ஆன்சர். Face value change ஆகவே செய்யாது. என்ன நம்பர் கேட்டாங்களோ அதுதான் அதோட face value இருக்கும். But place value will be changed. You see that place value of 5 means 1, tens, 100. But his face value is 5. Okay children, clear? Do you understand? Yes. So this very easy only. Do you understand or not? Yes. Okay. Now you come to the problems. Exercise 1.1. Okay. All of you take your note. All of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. I hope you have taken. Okay. You continue the classwork. Exercise 1.1. Fourth question. All of you take your classwork and write it, okay? write the following in words using write the following in words. Okay, inside your bracket you write it using Indian system of numerations. Okay, the first question is write neatly and clearly, write without any mistakes, okay? Write it properly. I will check your homework and classwork, everything. So write it neatly. Okay, children? Okay. Continue. Okay. Write it fast. Stop writing now. Listen carefully. Okay. Now, listen carefully. Stop writing. Don't look here and there. Just you watch it. Okay. Write the following in words using Indian system of numeration. Okay. Write the following in words. Here is given the numerals. So you write the following in words. Okay. ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ வேர்டில் எழுத போகிறோம். வேர்டில் எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன செய்யணும்? பீரியடை மார்க் பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு பீரியடை மார்க் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னாக்கி நம்மளுக்கு எழுதுறது ஈஸியாக நம்ம வேர்டில் எழுதிடலாம். சரியா? ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் யூ மார்க் த பீரியட்ஸ். ஓகே, பீரியட்ஸ் இஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் பீரியட் இஸ் ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் ஆர் டுகெதர். ஸோ ஓகே, ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், ஹண்ட்ரட். ஸோ யூ புட் ஒன் கமா. நெக்ஸ்ட் 1000, 10,000. You put on another one comma. Next is lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. Put one comma. And 1000, 10,000. That is after one comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now you mark the period. Now you study. Now you read the number. Read. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So, read பண்ணும்போது அந்தந்த பீரியட்ல இருக்கிறத சேர்த்து read பண்ணணும். Okay children? Yes. Now, read it. 33. This is the lakh period. This is thousands period. This is ones period. Okay. So, read it. 33 lakh. 33 lakh 33 lakh 80,000. And 216. Okay, 33 lakh 80,000 216. So 216. Okay. So first question, listen carefully. One number is given. First, எப்போ எடுத்தாலுமே ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுத்த உடனே பீரியடை மார்க் பண்ணணும். பீரியடை மார்க் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு ரீடிங் வந்து ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். சரியா? ஸோ பீரியட் மார்க் பண்ணும்போது இந்தியன் சிஸ்டத்தில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், 100 ஒன் பீரியட். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 1000, 10,000 another one period. Then third, crore and 10, that is a lakh and 10 lakh are another one period. Next, crore and 10 crore are another one period, so is going on. Okay children? Okay. Now period mark பண்ண முடிஞ்ச உடனே என்ன செய்யணும், அடுத்தது ரீட் பண்ண வேண்டியதுதான். So first is once, this is 1000 period, this is lakhs period. Okay. Now you read it. Read பண்ணும்போது சேர்த்து ரீட் பண்ணணும். 33 lakh 80,216. Okay? Yes. Now second question is, what number is given? So first you mark the period. Okay? Mark the period. So mark it. Ones, tens, 100. Okay? Come. Next 1000, 10,000. Then after no numbers, so finish. Now you read it. Otherwise you write the, this is once period. Okay? This is once, this is 1000. So 34,000. Okay? 34,691. 34,691. 691. Okay? Clear? Yes. One more time. The number is given. First I mark the period. Period means ones, tens, hundreds together are one periods. Okay? So ones, tens, 100, one comma. Then after 1000, 10,000. Okay? Now that is reading is very easily. Okay? So now 34,691. Okay children? Yes. Now third question. Same type of question only. So first you mark the period. Okay? Ones, tens, 100. Then after 1000, 10,000. Okay? Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Finish. Now you say the answer. This is ones period. This is 1000. This is lakh. Okay? Now 47 lakh. 47 lakh. 47 lakh. 90,000. 860. 860. Okay. So first question, listen carefully. Number is given 33 lakh. First you say the place value. Okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 33 lakh 80,216. Second one 34,691. Next. Third one 47 lakh 90,860. Okay? Yes. Do you understand? Yeah. Now you write it. Write it in your classwork note. Take your classwork and write it neatly and clearly. Okay? Right. Right. This note. Exercise 1.1, fourth question. Write the following in words. Okay? Then first one, second one, third one. Write it in your note, classwork note. Have you finished? Have you finished the classwork? Yes. I hope you have written the classwork. Okay. Then now another question. Next question. In fifth question, exercise 1.1, that fifth question, write the following numbers in numerals. Write the following numbers in numerals. Okay, first one. First one is 6008. Sorry, 6000 and 'Then second question, 96 lakh 2,000 500. And third one, 29 lakh 53,000 53,009. Okay. Now fourth question is 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. Okay, very big number. So, okay children, stop writing everything. That is, you stop. Now you listen. Write the following numbers in numerals. In the last question, numerals are given. So write it in your words. Yes or no? Numerals given, you write in words. But here, this question is, words is given. So you write in numerals. Okay? Number la எழுதணும் அவ்வளவுதான். வேர்ட்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, நம்பர்ல எழுதணும். லாஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन என்னது? நமக்கு நம்பர் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க, நமக்கு அத வந்து நேம்ல எழுதணும், ரைட் பண்ணனும் வேர்ட்ல. பட் ஹியர் there is a words is given, so you write in numerals. Okay, you see that 6008. so நமக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்கும். நீ என்ன செய்ய, அதனால ரஃப்லங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சார்ட் போடு. ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, that's very easy. நமக்கு எப்பவுமே என்ன வராது, தப்பே வராது. நம்ம இப்படி போட்டு எழுதி அங்க போட்டு நம்ம செய்தோம் அப்படினா தப்பே வராது. So first 6008, 6000, how many thousand? 6. அப்ப 1000 எங்க இருக்கோ அங்க 6 போடு. அப்ப நமக்கு 1000 இங்க இருக்கு, இதுல 6. Next, and 8. 100 is not there, 10s also not there, only ones only there. What is that? That is 8. Okay, so you put here 8. So this is one period, this is one period, this is one period. Okay, now only 1000, only 6 only there, no 100, no tens. So that place you put it 0. Okay, so your answer is 6008. Okay. 6008. Clear? 6008. 6008. 6008. நம்மளுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும் நம்மளுக்கு எழுதுறதுக்கு. ஆனால் எந்த ஒரு தப்புமே வராமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காண்டி நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம், பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ போட்டு அதில் போட்டுட்டு நம்ம எடுத்து எழுதலாம். சரியா? ஓகே. Now first question is over. Second question, 96 lakh 2500. 96 lakh. So lakh period here, lakh. Okay. So you put 96 lakh. How many thousand? 2000. So here is 2 and 500. 500. 500. Okay. So the answer is 96 lakh 2000. 2000 is there. 10,000 is not there. So that place you put 0. Okay. So 96 lakh. Here is 10,000 is missing. So that's why that instead of 10,000 you put 0. Okay. So 96 lakh 2,500. Okay. Clear? Yes. 96 lakh 2,500. Then third question, 29 lakh 53,000. 29 lakh 53,009. 29 lakh. 29 lakh 53,000. 53,000 and 9. Only 9. Here no hundreds place, no tens place. So only 9. Here only given. So you put instead of 100 and tens place you put 0. Okay. So now you see 29 lakh 53,000 and 9. So you write the answer now here. 29 lakh 53,000 and 9. Okay. Clear? Yes. Now fourth one. 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. 7 crore. So crore area here. Okay. So 7 crore. No 10 crore is not given. So you put here crore. 7 crore. 6 lakh. 10 lakh also not given. Lakh only given. So 6 lakh and 5. 1000 area. 10,000 also not given. Thousands also not given. Yes or no? Yes. 10,000 is not given. 1,000 is. So you, that is no numbers. Next 100 not there. Tens also not there. Only ones. That is 5. Okay. 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. So here is 10 lakh is not there. So you put that place is 0. Okay. Again here 10,000 is not there. So you put 0, 0. Okay. Now you write the answer. 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. Okay. Clear? 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. நீ இப்படி இந்த டேபிள் போட்டு எழுதுன அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்கி உனக்கு என்னவா இருக்கும், ஈஸியாக இருக்கும், எந்த ஒரு நம்பருமே உனக்கு ராங் ஆகாது. ஓகேயா? ஸோ தேட்ஸ் வை யூ புட் த டேபிள். ஒரு பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சார்ட் போட்டுட்டு பீரியடாக செப்பரேட்டாக நினைச்சு எதுக்கோ பிரிச்சுட்டு அதில் நம்பர் போட்டுட்டு இங்கே எழுது. சரியா? ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், டூ யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஓகே. ஓகே, ரைட் இட். திஸ் ஆல்சோ கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் ஒன்லி. ஸோ ரைட் இட் இன் யுவர் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட். ஓகே, write it fast. Write the following numbers in numerals. First question, 6008. And second question is 96 lakh 2500. And third one, 29 lakh 53,009. And fourth question, 7 crore 6 lakh and 5. Write it clearly and neatly. Write without mistakes, okay? So write it properly. Along with your homework, you have to send classwork also. So you write neatly, children. I will check your handwriting also. So write without any mistakes, okay? So write it properly. Have you finished classwork? Okay, I hope you have written the classwork. Now we are going to next question. Sixth question is, write the place value of the n-circle digits. Write the place value of the n-circled digits. First question. 5,23,791. Second question. 3rd one. The question is, write the place value of the n-circle digits. Stop writing. Now listen. Write the place value of the n-circled digits. Okay. Now read the number. That is 5,23,791. What is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is, say, what is the place value of 2? So the place value, what you read, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So therefore, the place value of 2 is, what is the place value of 2? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 2, 10,000. 2, 10,000. Okay. So 2, 10,000 or 2, 10,000. Okay. Is it correct? The place value நம்மளுக்கு 2 10,000. So wording ல எழுதும்போது 2 10,000 னு எழுதலாம். இல்லனா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 into 10,000 20,000. Okay, same two answers also correct only. But you write anything, any one in your exams or test, you write any one, that is must, okay, that is enough. But you, in your note, you two answer also you write, okay. The place value of 2 is 2, 10,000 or 20,000, anyone. Next question. 37,62,831. ஸோ எந்த இதுலேயும் நம்மளுக்கு உங்கள் புக்கிலெல்லாம் இருக்க உள்ள கொஷினில் இன்னும் இல்லை, நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு கமா ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. ஸோ கமா இல்லை இருக்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கு ரீட் பண்ண கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை தட் டைம் யூ புட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கமா, ஓகே. யூ மார்க் த பீரியட், தென் ஆஃப்டர் யூ ரீட், தட் இஸ் ஓன்லி ஈஸி, ஓகே. ஸோ 37,62,831. Now what is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is, the place value of 7 is, what is the place value of 7? Say the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So what is the place value of 7? 7 lakh, okay. 7 lakh. Or, you know, 7. How many places remaining 0 in lakh, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So you put 5, 0, okay. This is very easy, okay. என்ன செய்ய வேண்டியதான் 7 lakhs. இல்லைனா இன்னொரு ஆன்சர் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 7 போட்டுட்டு how many digits are there? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. ஸோ அந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு பதிலாக நம்ம 0 போட வேண்டியதுதான், ஓகே. எஸ். நவ் தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஹியர் நோ கமா, ஸோ யூ புட் இட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கமா, ஓகே. யூ செப்பரேட், தட் இஸ் you mark the period, then after you read. This is 1,000, lakh, crore, okay. Now you read it. Read. 4 crore, 80 lakh, 26,378. 4 crore, 80 lakh, 26,378. Now, what is the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4? The place value of 4 is, the place value of 4 is, what is the place value? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, okay. 4 crore. Or 4, how many 0? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 0 will come, okay. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 crores. Okay. 4 crore. Okay, children? Okay. Next, fourth question. Fourth question, you mark the period. This is 1,000, lakh, crore. So 91 crore, 86 lakh, 38,251. So what is the place value of 8? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 8, 10 lakh, okay. So the place value of 8 is 8, 10 lakh. 8, 10 lakhs, okay. Or 8, how many zeros we need? 8 lakh. Lakh, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 10 lakh, 6 zeros, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 80 lakh, okay. 8, 10 lakhs. 8, 10 lakhs. Now clear? Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Now write it in your classwork note. The place, write the place value of the n circle digits. Write it in your classwork note. Write neatly, children. First question. 5,23,791. The place value of 2 is 2, 10,000 or 20,000. Okay. You put comma. That is easily will be read. So you put comma. Then second one, 37,62,831. So the place value of 7 is 7 lakhs, or in write in your numerals. Okay. Then third one, 4 crore 80 lakhs 26,378. The place value of 4 is 4 crore. Or you write in numerals also. So true answer also correct only. This is in a word and this is a numerals. Okay. So any answer also that is correct only. But in your exam or test, that time you write any one. No problem. Okay, children. Okay. Then fourth question. $91 crore 86 lakhs 38,251. So the answer is, the place value of 8 is 10 lakhs or 80 lakhs. Okay. Finish? Yes. I hope you have written the classwork. Yes. Okay. Now you take a book. Tomorrow homework is ready. Take a book. Page number 8. Page number 8. Take your book. Page number 8. Your homework is in fourth question, exercise 1.1, page number 8, exercise 1.1, fourth question. Fourth question. Homework, page number 8. In fourth question, second, third, and fourth. Okay. And the fifth question. First, second, third, fourth. And sixth question also fully. So this is the homework. Page number 8, okay, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question. So these are homework. Do it in your homework note. Okay, children, write neatly and clearly. Write without any mistakes. Okay. Now, we will see the continuation of this in this next class. Okay, thank you.